Hello, my name is Octavian Esanu. I am an associate professor at AUB, American University of Beirut. I was invited to present my latest book, which is entitled Mimesis, Expression, Construction, Fredric Jameson Seminar on Aesthetic Theory. This is a book in which I'm not the author, I'm only the editor. The author is the prominent Marxist literary critic, Fredric Jameson. The book is about, it's a seminar in which Jameson talks about aesthetics of modernism. And here in this seminar, which I was involved in my graduate work, we spoke about different aesthetics of modernism. We discussed the music of Schoenberg and Stravinsky. We talked about the aesthetics of Kant, Hegel, and Marx. We spoke about different other problematics of the modernist form. It took me about 9 years to think of a form how to present the book. So I decided to render it and to present it as a theatrical play in which everyone involved in that seminar are discussing, debating, exchanging, speaking to each other about what is the aesthetic of modernism. Finally, the book, the way I see it, is a sort of a dialectical engagement in a way that Fredric Jameson instructed us in his classrooms. Thank you very much.